Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by inserting a fast USB pen drive. Make sure it is 16 GB or larger and empty. Open Settings, then Update and Security and select Backup. Alternatively, use Control Panel Backup and Restore. Once there, choose File History for files or create a system image to copy Windows. Select your pen drive as the destination and confirm. You do this now to capture the exact state of your files or system, so subsequent steps write directly to that selected device. Once the pen drive is selected, choose what to back up and how often. For file history, add key folders and set a schedule so you get incremental versions. If creating a system image, follow the wizard and include C, plus recovery partitions to preserve bootability. Make deliberate choices about compression or encryption to save space or protect data. Verify the drive has enough free space, then click Start or Create. You should watch progress and note any warnings during the write process. When the backup completes, safely eject the pen drive, then test it by browsing saved files or mounting the system image to confirm integrity. If the operation failed, reformat the USB to NTFS or XFAT and retry. Make sure the USB port provides enough power and try another cable or port. You should maintain multiple dated backups and keep at least one offsite. This prevents single-point failure and ensures you can recover quickly if a backup becomes corrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.